Hi everyone, I'm here to share this quick video on sight words because we haven't practiced them in a while, so I wanted to review some of these words that, you can't really sound out some of the time, but you just kind of have to know them in a snap. So let's go through some of these words. We're going to read some of these words on the slide. See if you can recognize any of them. The first word is I. The second word is the. The third word is see. The fourth word is a. The last word is cat. Let's read those all together. I, the, see, a, cat. Let's try these words. See if you can recognize any of them on a snap. You should have gotten is, this, me, my, dog. Let's read these words. See if you can get any. These words are we, like, and, at, pig. Let's try these words. These words are in, you, do, am, ball. Try to read the words on the slide. An, for, to, it, girl. Go ahead and give these ones a try. Ready? Has, are, him, her, boy. Just a few more slides. Keep on reading. All right. Go, so, yes, no, bug. Them, that, eat, said, egg. On, off, will, cup, of. This one can be really tricky sometimes. Up, out, here, say, mom. He, she, saw, they, dad. Nice work.